Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm about to open up this steel folding commode that I purchased. I suffered a back injury first snow of the season this year, and the way it's affecting me is I think some of the muscles in my legs are not being used, which are ending up putting all the strain on my knees, and now I've got water on my knees and my knees are real painful. But I know more information than you need, but toilets are low and this is going to be higher, so I won't have to put as much strain on my knees. So I heard something rattling around in here, so hopefully it's not damaged. It was delivered by Amazon. Ironically, I had a couple of these because my parents were disabled, and I gave them to a charity when they passed, and now I need one. So they're pretty easy, I think, to put together. I was just concerned that maybe these plastic snap-ons might have been broken. It's got a regular size one. They do have one for larger people. I'm not certain what was rattling around in here. I mean, it seemed like a little piece was like a screw or something, but this is all this all snaps together. So we got that seat there, and then everything here is intertwined. Let's see how to get this out. Seems pretty secure. Not certain what would. Get some of this cardboard out of here. Piece of cardboard on the other side. Already forgot how that other one worked. Let's get this out. In the past, I've just gone to a local, well, it wasn't local, I had to go into Boston. I'm in Massachusetts, to a medical supply place to buy one. So here is, oh, it's just a tie wrap. That's the sound that I heard. So yeah, there's no screws or anything. Everything just snaps in. Let's see. Yeah, one of the tie wraps were. This is just a twisty thing. So this just folds and folds. I don't need to read any instructions. Oh, I see. Okay. This is becoming clear as I look at this. So this just is on a swivel, and you just bring this in. That snaps in. That snaps in. And you have height adjustments. So I will figure out what the appropriate height is for. So that's pretty good. Just get these buttons that snap in. I get plenty of adjustment for the height. So yeah, I'll be able to hold this now and take the strain off of my knees. So that is backwards because the back has this bar. And of course, you can set this up whatever is most convenient or applies to your situation. You might need it near the bed. Recently found out that although I respond really quickly to Tylenol is a diuretic. So if you'd like to get up every hour, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which, that's 4 times that I'm having to stress my knees. Twice if you include getting out of bed. So, depending on your situation, you'll be using these. So it comes with this. It's got a lid, a handle, and you have this. And you have the toilet seat, which just snaps on the back here. Like so. There you go. Whoops. Oh, that did not snap on. There you go. So that is going to help a lot for my particular problem with my knee pain and stress on the knees. So here's the pamphlet actually with the instructions on how to assemble it, which I did not look at. That's how straightforward it is to put together, as you saw. Again, 11148-1. Folding Commode by Drive Medical. So that's the Drive Medical model number 11148-1 or something like that. Relatively inexpensive, $34 off of Amazon. And yeah, just thought I'd do the unboxing there in case there was some damage. It's sturdy, height adjustable, got these nice handrails for support. So I hope this helps you in your decision-making process for one of these foldable portable commodes. Thanks for watching.